Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are just finishing off what we started, going through my new makeup, decluttering anything that I think that I won't use, and then we're going to organise it all. Let's just get started basically back on what we were doing yesterday. So there's a couple of setting sprays in here which I am going to keep. So I've got these three. We have the MAC Fix Plus, we also have the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless, the Airbrush Flawless setting spray, and then the Makeup Forever one as well. So I'm going to keep all of those. I'm going to be keeping this from Colourpop. This is one of their lip and cheek balms. This one's in Cutesy Wootsy. I absolutely love this formula. Sorry, I'll just zoom in a bit more. Yeah, I really love this formula. It's such a nice one. So back to Kent State. This is from Queen Cosmetics. It's a hemp infused gloss. It's in the shade Electric. I don't know if I would have swatched it or not. This is the worst thing about lip products. If I can't remember if I've swatched them, I don't feel comfortable passing them along because I'm like, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. That looks like such a cool gloss, but realistically I'm just never going to use it. Like, I don't know. Just like say for example, this one is fine because that's closed. I can see it whenever I open that. So this is from Physicians Formula, and I think I am going to pass this one along because it's just not... I'm just really trying to be careful about the lip products. Like I said, I just don't want to repeat my mistakes and, you know, get heaps of lip products that then I'm not going to reach for. So pass her along, but I can't remember if I swatched them. Ah! Okay. I feel like these will be easier because that's really pretty though, but am I going to use it? This is another thing that's hard to know as well, like without swatching them you don't really know like what shade they are. These are two from Laura Mercier and they look like they have been swatched. I think that I'm going to pass these two along to friends because I just don't really use lip crayons, so I'm going to pass those along to like family and friends. That's fine. Just a little Iconic London illuminator. I guess I'll keep that for now. This P. Louise lip pencil I'll keep. I want to keep these from NYX. These are the This is Juice Gloss in Strawberry Flex and Watermelon Sugar. Do they smell? I can't remember. Yeah, they do. Yum. They really smell really nice. I really need to try these. Yeah, they smell good. I think I've got another one. That one too. Pomegranate. Yum. Yeah, so I'm going to keep those three. I'm really excited to try them. I honestly need to get my bum into gear and try them. This I'm going to pass along. It's the Morphe Ashley Strong. And this one as well, you know, I'll just pass that on to family and friends. It's so hard to know. I think that anything that I can't 110% tell that I haven't, like, if I can't tell that I haven't swatched it, like, I'm not going to put it in a giveaway, I'm just going to pass it along to someone I know. That makes sense. This is the Air Goddess palette from Benefit. I still haven't used it. So we've got three blushes. No, we don't. We have two blushes, a highlight and a face powder, and I just still haven't used it. It's so pretty, but I think I'm just going to pass it along because I just still have not reached for it. So I'm going to pass her along as well, and that's something that I know, like, I haven't swatched, you know. Eye Halo from XO Beauty, I love these, so I'll keep her. That's just a shade I haven't used yet. Got a couple of things here from Colourpop that I'll keep. Got like a Super Shock, a glitter, and like a liner. I'll keep those. Got these lippy sticks. I have Best Intentions and Energy Field. I feel like it looks like I've swatched them, so I'll try them out. Like, I'll keep them for now, I think. I'll pass this along as well. This is another one of the Laura Mercier crayons things, lip crayons. I'll keep these from Colourpop. These are just some of their cream gel liners. Honestly, I don't really like these from Glam Radar, unfortunately. Like, I don't know if I just didn't know how to use them properly, but they're like the little eyeliner things, but they just I just didn't really get on with them. But yeah, I don't know, that really could be a me issue. In saying that, I think I'm going to hold on to them for now. And if I haven't used them by the time, but this, you know, the end of the year, I'll get rid of them. I'm going to get rid of this. This is the Shrek Revolution Brow Gel, and I thought that I'd use it, but I just haven't reached for it yet, so just going to pass that one along. I have a Laura Mercier blush in Bellini. It's so pretty. I think I'm going to pass it along though, because I just haven't reached for it. I've got a couple from her that I've already used. I'm just going to pass that along. We've got a couple of Glitterly Obsessed from Colourpop, which I'll keep. We've got a Jelly Matte Shadow, which I'll keep. This Cheek Juice Serum Blush. I don't know. I think I'll keep it for now. I do really enjoy these. So this is the Bobbi Brown face base, so I would like to try that out. Got this lip kit from Glamlight, which I'll keep, and also the Rick and Morty one, which I will also keep. I can't remember if I swatched all of these. I actually think I did swatch all of these, to be honest. These are the Glamlight and Rick and Morty. No, they're not, sorry. The She Glam and Rick and Morty, like, glosses. I'm missing one. Actually, I think I've already used it. So I'll probably keep those as well. And honestly, I don't mind these colours, so keep them for now. Dream Droplets from P. Louise, keep that. I didn't really like these from She Glam, but I've already swatched them. Might pass them along to family and friends. I'll keep these lip kits from Colourpop. I'll also keep this Ultra Glossy Lip from Colourpop and the little Fresh Kiss from Colourpop. Jacqueline, I'll pass that one along. This is from Revolution, and I honestly don't think I've swatched that one because I can't see a swatch mark, so I'm going to pass that one along as well. This is the little piggy lipstick from the Revolution Shrek event calendar. This is the little Gingy liquid eyeshadow, which I honestly don't know if I would have swatched it. I don't really think I want it, but I'm actually going to keep it because I have something in mind. I know, I just said I don't want it, I know. These are from Laura Mercier, they're lip glazes. Keep them for now. And that one as well. Oh, there's the other Rick and Morty and She Glam one. I don't know where the hell Morty's head's gone then, because he's meant to have a little thing on his head, so there's probably a Morty head floating around the floor somewhere, that's fine. Blush stick from Colourpop. I honestly don't think I need this shade. It's in Picnic Time. It is really cute though. Oh, I'm going to keep it for now. Oh my god, I'm such a sucker. This is a little pigment, which I'll keep. Just having a quick look at everything else. I honestly think that everything else I will keep for now. Except for this Laura Mercier lipstick. This is in the shade Berry Kiss. And I can't see any swatch marks, so I'm going to pass that one along as well. But I liked the shade of the other one. So I'm going to keep all of these for now. And if I don't use them by the end of the year, then I will pass them along. This is the She Glam and Harry Potter lip glosses, and I don't want the glosses inside, unfortunately. I have swatched them. I just do not love the formula. That one's so pretty though. How cool is that? But I kind of want to keep them like sitting on the shelf like that. So I'm honestly going to keep these as like a little memorabilia kind of thing. Yeah, but I'm not going to keep it as like a makeup product. So anyway, that's everything sorted now. Now we just need to go through and organise it into categories. Now we're basically going to pull everything back out and organise it. So I've got like a couple of different organiser things here. So these are going to be like, I don't know how to explain this. Okay, what I'm going to do is things that I want to do like dedicated videos on. They go in this big drawer down here. So I think I'm gonna honestly start with this one here. Yeah, we're gonna start by filling out a big drawer and putting everything that I want to do like a dedicated video review on in here. I probably won't put things in containers in here because it's just too big. Like you know, if I'm doing like a collection review or something like that, that's not going to fit in one of these containers, you know what I mean? And I tend to find it a little bit easier to navigate this on because it's not normally so overflown. So let's just pull out all of the makeup again, and then we're just going to start from okay, so like for example, I want to do a dedicated video to this P. Louise palette, so I'm going to put this one in this drawer. So what I'm going to do is just go through, put everything in here that I want to do dedicated videos on, and then we'll go through it and I'll tell you what's what. Okay, cool. So that's that for now. If I find anything else, I can put it in there. But basically, so say for like example, I obviously did my video reviewing the Melt and Nightmare Before Christmas like collection, but I didn't use this palette in there, so I still want to use this palette in like a separate dedicated video. And like I'll probably name this video like trying the Melt Christmas Town palette. You know, so that's what I mean by dedicated video. Like, I'll do a dedicated review to the P. Louise Droplet of Magic palette. So I've got a couple of palettes in here. I've got the P. Louise one, I've got the Glamlight and Chucky one, I've got the Colourpop Rudolph one, and then the Christmas Town Melt one. I don't know about this Malibu Barbie one because it's so like kind of old now that you know, it's not really relevant anymore. Same with these type of things, like, so I'm just kind of like, oh, these might be a thing of like, you know, full face first impressions type of video. Anyway, so that's that drawer for now. So let's pull out this one. Oh my god, I've left that in there. And let's start getting some categories going. So I'm going to put out some little containers. So I think my first category that I'm going to do is gloss, because I want to do one that's like gloss, one that's like liquid lipstick. You know, I've got a couple of setting sprays, so maybe we'll do some setting sprays. Yeah, my first category that I'm going for is gloss. So I'm going to start by doing those. Okay, so I've got something like this going on. Basically, like I feel like it just seems a little bit more organised. So we actually needed lots of tubs for glosses, and look, going forward I might have to get like some more containers and things. So yeah, kind of just depends how it goes. I'm guessing I'm going to have a big influx of makeup coming in after Advent season, so I'll probably need, you know, some bigger containers, but as it is at the moment, we have two lots of glosses. Then this is like the little lip kit section. So I've got a couple of lip kits, and I've got the Rick and Morty one and also the Ghostface one, but I just took them out of their packaging just so they fit in there better. This is like lip sticks. Then this is like eyes, it's like eyeliners, you know, like eye halos, things like that. I've got like cheek products, which is mainly blushes, and then there's a highlight in there. I don't have eyeshadow palettes in anything at the moment, but I feel like they kind of stand by themselves, if you know what I mean. Then I've got my setting sprays and then a primer. This is too long to go anywhere else, so I'm just going to pop that in there. So that's kind of what we're working with at the moment. I feel like it just kind of makes it a little bit easier. because then I can come in and be like, oh yeah, I've got those for eyes, I've got those for lips, that type of thing. So I'm going to organise that into here really quick. Hopefully it all fits. That's another thing too, I'm going to go through like a whole kind of revamp with my beauty room quite soon. So things could change once again, but okay. So that kind of seems to be about as much as I can fit in there, without like chucking things on top and basically starting like where we started in a sense. So that's fine. I'll keep, I think I'll take this one out, no, this one out, and I'll put this in. So this is like basically all face products, and then the other drawer can be all eye products. And just put all of the rest of our palettes, and then that's kind of like eye stuff in there. That looks a bit better. Only downfall for that was I was hoping to keep everything in one drawer, because I really wanted to put all of this stuff in a drawer. So basically this is all of the stuff that I've literally got within like the last week or so. Majority of it's from advent calendars, but some of it, actually sorry, some of it I got before I went away. Some of it I got on my holiday. But I don't want to put this into the other drawers because everything else that's like been in my drawers I want to try and use up, or like, you know, at least try it out by the end of the year. So I don't want to go putting this new stuff in there because then I won't be able to distinguish the two. So this is a whole another situation, which is fine. So I don't really know what I'm going to do with this at the moment. Like, I'll find a way to make it work. But the thing is, I've got it all in this basket at the moment, so I can just leave it there. Like, you know, it's out of the way and it's not like messy or anything like that. It was more just that I wanted to kind of put everything, like I wanted to put that away so that I could have this basket free, but that's fine. So yeah, that is the video done. Hopefully this was a bit of fun to watch. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!